Hello, everyone. Welcome to yet another captivating episode of She Matters, a platform that embraces women leaders at Tata Elxsi. I am delighted to introduce to you all Miss Kalindi, ACTG Group Competency Head. Kalindi's role involves her leading AI application vertical that serves as a cross functional hub for all other AI initiatives across the organization. Kalindi brings around 14 years of diverse experience to the table. Domains like communication, IoT, media, and broadcasting has equipped her with a unique sense of perspective and a strong understanding of how AI applications can be used across various sectors. When Kalindi is not occupied exploring the AI universe, she will probably be cooking or spending time with her daughter. Welcome to the show, Kalindi.
Thank you, Vanshika.
Kalindi, so let me begin by asking you, reflecting back at your journey, can you share a defining and a happy moment from your time at Tata Elxsi?
One of the proudest moments in Tata Elxsi was being part of architect and development team. This architect team has developed a healthcare ecosystem which was made of using sensor network and smart gateway. Uh, we have designed this ecosystem in such a way so that it can be a true companion for elderly people and provide them timely help in case of emergencies. It took us 2 to 3 years to mature the product and to be perfect. When we have handed over the product to the customer, 50,000 devices were deployed in Australia and Germany. Knowing that our work has truly helped elderly people to be on their own and live without compromising their dignity really fills me with immense pride.
Well, Kalindi, I must say your experience truly complements with Tata Elxsi's true sense of giving back. Moving on, Kalindi, what are the lessons that you learned from Tata Elxsi that has helped you grow in your career?
Most important lesson that I've learned here was importance of being adaptable and resilient. So I worked in wide range of projects and cutting edge technologies which are evolving every day. That really requires me to be on my toes and be flexible. On the personal front as well, it was really a significant challenge for me to balance between professional life and personal life. That also taught me of effective time management and task prioritization.
I find it really fascinating to learn how Tata Elxsi plays such a significant role in helping you balance your diverse roles as a woman. Kalindi, if you had to pick one word that demonstrates your leadership experience at Tata Elxsi, what would it be and why?
That one word would be enriching. I learned throughout my time, and it was a really memorable journey.
Like our pillars truly enforce going beyond to learn every day. Moving on to the last question, Kalindi, if there would be one piece of advice that you would give to other women leaders in the corporate industry who aspire to have a successful career, what would it be?
One key advice to all fellow women leaders is believe in yourself and your abilities, trust your instinct, and don't be afraid of taking risk. World is yours.
Kalindi, I think that's a very empowering statement to make. When you say trust your instincts, I think it is the mantra for women of all generations. With that, we've come to the end of the show. Thank you so much for being here with us. It was a pleasure hosting you. I think you've given us a very interesting take on the professional front. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Vanshika. It's pleasure to be part of the show.